Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Unity tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you how you can display a video inside of an object. So it could be a TV, it could be a computer monitor, it could be a laptop, whatever model you want to import a video into. So I'm going to be using a free one, but you can make the models yourself using 3D modeling software. So you could use Blender, you could use Maya, whatever software you may want to use. Sometimes it's easier just to do free models just so that you don't have to make them yourself. So I'm going to be using this model. I've already downloaded it and unzipped the file. There are other models on here, as you can see. Some of them you do have to pay for, some of them are free. What we're going to do is we're just going to open um, up Unity Hub and create a new project. So I've just created a 3D one. Don't have to do it in 3D, it could be elsewhere. I've imported what I need. So I've imported the model and I've imported the video. I've just scaled the object just how I want it to be. And what we're going to do now is we're going to in the TV, we're going to add a video component. So this is going to be for the video. So I'm just going to drag and drop the video here for now. And then what we're going to do from there is we are going to go to right click and we are going to create a render texture. Give it a name, doesn't have to be, I'm just going to name it TV. I'm not going to give it any fancy name. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to create a material which we're going to put onto our object. So if you see there's a little sort of indent next to this one, you're going to click it and we're going to try and find that render texture we just made called TV or whatever you've decided to call it. And I'm going to drag and drop it onto my object. Sometimes they don't always like to go, so sometimes I may have to drag it into the actual scene rather than the hierarchy. And then from there, if you can see, it says render texture here. Sometimes it may not, you may have to change it to render texture. Obviously it says no render texture. What we're going to do is the render texture that we made previously, we're just going to drag and drop it into here. And then we're just going to make sure that our video was dragged in to the video player as it was. And then in this one, you also want to make sure that the render texture is also inputted into the video so that the video clip can play. If I play my scene, it should now play the video clip that I've added. As you can see, my video clip is playing on the TV. So that is basically how you get a video file to play on an object within Unity. And I will see you in my next video.